Hi, it's Tracy with a Y. Welcome, everyone. It's officially Easter time. I put all my St. Patrick's Day away yesterday, except for one thing. Anyways, I brought down my 2 totes, and I'm going to get to show you my beautiful bunny collection that I've collected over the years. I like to look for different styles of bunnies, ones that I love that really catch my eye. This was before I started, so things are a little crazy. I did clean yesterday when I took down St. Patrick's Day. So here's the beginning. This is my KitchenAid. Got a cute little spatulas, and those hand towels there are from TJ Maxx. The colander was from Hobby Lobby. I need to slow down. I just put a few little bright Easter eggs in this tier tray that I'm doing coffee theme. They're kind of the mirror ball, disco ball style eggs. Table I didn't do a whole lot with because we use it every day. So, and if I leave these really cute Hobby Lobby placemats on the table, my cats lay on them, and it's annoying, so I'll put them away as soon as this video's over. I love those napkins from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so this is my pantry, and I put a few things inside the cabinet there, a few little egg things, a couple bunnies. Then I got a couple Rae Dunn mugs. That one, it says "So Extra," makes me laugh. I don't know why. That little bunny reminds me of myself. I also like the Some Bunny to Love. I love the Moss bunnies, of course. Those I think were from Joann's a couple years ago. I love this whole setup with the Bible. That super beautiful bunny that just glistens and with the flash on, sparkly bunny. That's from Hobby Lobby. I need to slow down. Goodness. Okay, all of this. I got that bunny picture there on the wall. I'm a sucker for a bunny with glasses, and they're like 3D. I love this bunny too. It's a gnome. One of my favorite pieces I have. This is my absolute favorite piece I have from TJ Maxx. Kind of reminds me of Ralphie from Christmas Story. There's a bow I made. More bunnies. Most of the bunnies are from TJ Maxx. But that sign was from Hobby Lobby, and I actually paid full price for it. I never pay full price, but I knew if I didn't get it, I wouldn't get it, so I bought it early. If you have any questions of anything in these pictures, just comment down below. I'll try to help you. I'm not good with links, but I'm sure I could find it. There's Mrs. Patches snoring. See the little bunny ears, the fuzzy bunny ears. Okay, the Peeps I got at Dollar Tree. I think they were $3 each, and I love them. I got one of each. The little ceramic eggs, which I turn on here in a minute, those were from Sam's Club several years ago, and they're on a timer and go off and on every so often. That's a Longaberger basket that a lady that I used to clean for gave to me, and those like homemade hand-spun orange eggs. I wish I would have showed a closer picture. And yet there's again another picture with a sign with the rabbit with the glasses. That little Peep, that big pink Peep, came from TJ Maxx. So I set the camera down here for a minute because I forgot to turn the eggs on so you could see the full effect. That Easter sign's from TJ Maxx, I think. Maybe Hobby Lobby. The stackable eggs were from Joann's. I have a gold set too I'm going to put outside. The gnomes are all from TJ Maxx. The little wood blocks are from TJ Maxx. That was from Family Dollar, that little sign that says Hop. Okay. Here is a couple bows I made. Another gnome bunny. I love the wood bunny with the heart cut out. Pillowcase covers. The black ones are from Amazon. The Easter pillows were from TJ Maxx, the gray ones. And then I love the coffee table. I got out my Temu light up garland. The little pug is from, not pug, oh my gosh, I can't believe I just said that. The little Frenchie's from At Home. The bunny was from At Home, no, TJ Maxx. Here's just a few pictures. The colander there and the carrots are from Hobby Lobby. I'll see if I missed anything. The Cottontail Cafe is from Hobby Lobby. TJ Maxx is where I got the sparkly bunny. I love that whole setup. I just love all of that. I love Easter. I used to think it was Christmas, my favorite season, then fall, then Easter, but I think it might be Christmas, then Easter. I just love all this stuff. And I changed the screensaver to a YouTube video. I wish I would have done it in the first video I took. I love that bunny. It looks like it's framed artwork. And you can get those on your YouTube page or channel. A few more photos. The gnomes are all from TJ Maxx. Most of the bunnies are too. Moss bunnies were from Joann's. Little carrots were from Hobby Lobby. Anyways, but look how cute that screensaver is. It's gorgeous. Here's my bunny. Is it safe to say I probably have the prettiest Easter bunny collection you ever did see? Oh my gosh. Love him. Him. Guys, some little peeps. Moss bunnies. Look at this guy. Oh my gosh, his little feet. This one's cool. I'm a sucker for a good Easter bunny that's different. Like this. Sorry, my neighbor's out mowing his grass. Moss bunnies. Gnome bunny. Those guys are cute. I think that's me. This one's cute. Look at this one with the heart. Love it. Moss bunny. This one's gorgeous. I had to pick my favorite. Would either be him, that gnome one, or this one because it's breathtaking. I feel like I might be missing one like this. This guy. He's a showstopper. Here was my Snapchat video I sent to my friends. It's kind of a quick rundown. But the reason I put this clip in is because I actually have the bunny screensaver on the TV, and I just think it kind of made the whole thing, actually. My, what's that called? Not Mr. What's that thing you do in the air? I can't remember. Anyways. We put the scents in it. Anyway, I don't know. I don't know what it's called. I forget. It won't come to me right now. It's not a dehumidifier. It's a, you put like really good smells in it. Anyways, I wanted to leave it because of this. I love this screensaver. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing. Please comment below if you have any questions. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.